Recently I bought a complete 2-liter set that I want to use for my Alfa Romeo Giulia 1300. It is a complete set taken from a scrapped Alfa Romeo Berlina. The seller also gave the serial number plate of the Berlina where these parts came from. A complete front suspension is also included, so that means better brakes. This Berlina was also equipped with a limited slip diff and it is in pretty good condition. There's no play on it and the brake discs also look like new. My plan is to see what kind of condition the engine is in. So I fill the engine with oil and want to test the oil pressure. There's a stud broken off the engine mount, which I'm going to repair soon. My idea is to use the recently placed water pump from my current 1300 and also the 123 ignition. The engine is loose and spinning well. The TDC point is hard to read, but the timing seems to be correct. The chain tensioner also working properly. Before I can proceed, I need to install this cover plate, but I need a gasket for this. For now I will make this one myself and will replace it later for original. The flywheel goes back on so the starter motor can turn the engine. The gearbox needs also to go on, because this is where the start motor will be attached to. The electronic oil pressure gauge is going to make way for another one. I think 60 psi is not bad, as I hope I want to have take this engine apart. Next time I'm going to do a compression test and I'm very curious to see what will come out of that. Hope to see you again next time. Thanks for watching.